most stand to gain the most from the Inflation Reduction Act. And the other thing that I would say is the reason that USDA sent out those promissory notes was because there was legislation that enabled those promissory notes to be sent out. It was called the American Rescue Plan Act. The American Rescue Plan Act was repealed, so that legislation was taken off the table, which took away USDA's ability to honor those promissory notes and requires USDA to do a better job in the Inflation Reduction Act of figuring out how to deal with two important things. One is the debt of distressed borrowers. How do we get people back in the door, keep them on their farms, keep them from getting foreclosed on? And then the other one is, how do we provide a measure of compensation for the discrimination that they suffered? So I just wanted to make sure we were clear on those issues, ma'am, and thank you for the question.
Actually, this is him, right?
Great.